Hey everyone, Fritz here. Ever try to start your car but your key battery is dead? Well, in today's video, we're gonna actually replace out the batteries in your BMW keys. Let's get into the video. So this is going to be a very quick video just to help those of you who need to replace the battery in your BMW keys, and all that you really need is a CR2450 battery, which I'll leave a link for in the description. And you need no special tools for this, so let's get right into the video. First, we will remove our actual key by pressing down on this button, place it off to the side, and you can use a knife or a small screwdriver, but you're going to be able to see these two prongs on the edge of the key here. Using your knife or your small screwdriver, simply push up on that small prong there, just like that. And we've revealed our battery. Remembering that the positive is facing up, pop out the battery, open up our new battery, and place it in. Now if you can see, the edges of my key here have a little bit of dirt, and since it's open, we might as well clean it as well as the housing here. Just use something like a baby wipe to get the job done, and as soon as you're happy, let it dry out and replace the cap, and place back in the blade, and now we are good to go. But what if you want to check if you need to change your battery? Well, to be honest, you really don't need to check if your battery is going out or not, because the moment that you get in your car and turn it on or turn on the ignition, it's gonna give you this warning signal over here. And just by looking at that, you're gonna know for sure that your battery is about to go out. And if you're not looking at the instrument cluster right when you get into the car, you might miss that sign. So the first thing that you might see is that caution sign in the top left-hand corner of your instrument cluster right there. And what that's gonna do is going to bring your attention to the vehicle settings on the iDrive screen. You're going to want to go to Vehicle Info, go down to Vehicle Status, all the way bottom to the Check Control. And it'll tell you right there to replace your battery. You can select it again and it'll go into more details that the battery in your key needs to be replaced. And it's not like it's going to go out in the next day or two. Like, you'll have some time to replace the battery. But you're gonna definitely wanna do it as soon as you see that sign there, if you have the batteries available, or put the order in right then and there. And let's just say you're out and about. You're not at home, you're not near a store, and your car won't start, but you really need to get to your destination. Well, the truth is there's probably enough charge in your key in order to start the car, but not from your pocket. And what you can do to remedy the problem and start your car is hold the battery up to that key symbol where the ignition normally would be, and from there, you would be able to start your car. So I hope that this short video was helpful for all of you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you need any batteries for your BMW keys, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.